So very good morning, dear student. I think let me again take you to the things which we were dealing during last session. This was briefly our syllabus, and I think we have already completed first two units. Now we are in the third unit, which talks about time, place, and value. Out of that, we are discussing about place. In fact, fourth unit things has been already taken care when we were dealing with the levy and collection of taxes. People, student who used to come to the college, and even if you'll go to my YouTube videos of last year, you'll find all these materials is available. You can practice those things. You have your textbook in your hand. You can take out those questions, and if at all there is any difficulties, you can very much ask those queries like Sachin, another student who is asking during regular lectures, sir, this is iska kya hoga, uska kya hoga, and so on and so forth. Will be there to help you and assist you. So we started with place of supply, and I told you why the place of supply is so very important. And two things starting with place of supply, because there is a break. Till here we had CGST Act, and after this also we'll be having CGST Act. Only for the place of supply we will be referring 4 sections of IGST Act. So that's another reason to have this particular topic starting with, and that makes the continuity also as far as syllabus is concerned. So till section 11 of CGST Act we have already finished, which was talking about precisely exemptions of GST. So now we'll be starting with place of supply, which we had already discussed during last lecture of your class. Probably, if I'm not wrong, last Monday itself. This was the slides which we had discussed during last lecture. Okay. For which we have, as I told you, section 10, 11, 12, and 13. These 4 sections of IGST Act we are referring now. We are not referring CGST Act. These are the sections of IGST Act. Okay. Whereby section 10, subsection 1, clause A states where there is a movement of supply. I mean, there is a movement of goods. Okay. Section 10, subsection 1, clause B. I think this particular chart has been already discussed during last lecture, where the principal place on the direction of third party. If the goods has been transferred, what will be considered as place of supply? If there is no requirement of transfer of goods, there is no involvement of movement of goods, then what will be considered as place of supply? And I told you the very effective example, if suppose we travel through flight and we have asked for certain goods during flight. I mean, मैंने example दिया था आपको, हम यहाँ से कोलकाता के लिए जा रहे हैं और जब फ्लाइट टेक ऑफ करी इमीडिएटली तो आपको कुछ नहीं मिलता है, आपको भी पता है. तो महाराष्ट्र रीजन में आपने कुछ नहीं करा. जब भी फ्लाई कर रही थी फ्लाइट गुजरात टच करके जा रही थी, तभी आपने एयर होस्टेस को बुलाया एंड यू गॉट दैट मेन्यू इन योर हैंड. जब भी आपने ऑर्डर प्लेस किया तब तक फ्लाइट ऑलरेडी आपके एमपी रीजन को क्रॉस कर रही थी. जब भी आपको एग्जीक्यूट किया गया मध्य प्रदेश होते हुए, जब भी आपको एग्जीक्यूट किया गया, आप उड़ीसा में उस फूड को एंजॉय किए एंड फाइनली जब भी आप पेमेंट कर रहे थे तभी वो वेस्ट बंगाल रीजन में आ गया था. तो आपको कौन से गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स भरना, बिकॉज जीएसटी इज डेस्टिनेशन बेस्ड टैक्स. तो आप क्या करेंगे ऐसे सिचुएशन? तो प्लेस ऑफ टैक्स is very, very important to be discussed. And that's why even though we had entire syllabus of CGST, these four sections are at most important to have the discussion of place of supply. So if there is an installation at site or goods has been boarded somewhere, so what will be considered as place of supply, or in any other case which is defined or explained under section 10 subsection 2 of IGST Act. So we'll be taking one by one. ये सारी चीजें हो गई है. अभी इस सेक्शन 10 सबसेक्शन 1 क्लॉज ए पे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस लेंगे. तो पहला क्वेश्चन तो यही है. Okay, where the place of supply requires movement of goods. Okay, so supplier is from Mumbai, recipient is also from Mumbai, but the place of delivery is Surat. Okay, then what will be considered as place of supply? Kindly take down. Before writing that, now you can even write whether by the supplier or recipient or by any person, the place of supply of such goods shall be the location of the goods at the time at which movement of such termination for the delivery of recipient. So actually the goods wherever is delivered will be considered as place of supply. And then take this example. Am I clear to you all? So this is your section 10 subsection 1 clause A of IGST Act. And then we'll be having other practical questions. So finish it off this, then we'll be going for next practical question. ये complete करो फटाफट. हो जाता है तो मुझे बताओ. Write down this theory and this example. Okay, then we'll be having another question. थोड़ा और छोटा करेंगे तो दोनों चीजें. Now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
लिखो फटाफट. परफेक्ट. जैसे हो जाता मुझे अपडेट करो. What about others? Sachinka completed. Should we go for the next question? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
And they may even ask what kind of GST will be applicable, whether CGST, SGST will be applicable or IGST will be applicable. ये सारे questions भी पूछ सकते हैं. चलो, let us go for next example. X Limited located in Mumbai, Maharashtra received an order from Y Limited located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat for supply of one machine. Find out the place of supply and applicable GST.
सर CGST या GST लगेगा?
I don't know. Anu has given me the right answer. Anu Tiwari. It looks like offline में नहीं आते थे. Shruti also offline में नहीं दिखी थी. सचिन, CGST SGST क्यों लगेगा? मुंबई अहमदाबाद एक ही स्टेट में है क्या?
नहीं नहीं अलग है.
थैंक यू प्रकाश, यू आर ऑल्सो राइट. श्रुति सही है, प्रकाश सही है, अनु इज ऑल्सो राइट. So the answer is अभी समझा?
खाली इसमें लिखना है क्या सर? खाली कौन सा GST एप्लीकेबल रहेगा बस?
क्यों लिखना क्यों है? प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई क्या है?
अहमदाबाद.
क्या है मतलब जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है वही लिखोगे ना. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है?
फाइंड आउट द प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई एप्लीकेबल GST.
हाँ, तो और वो क्यों है? क्योंकि हमने सेक्शन 10 सबसेक्शन 1 क्लॉज ए ऑफ IGST फॉलो किया है ना? इसकी वजह से ये आंसर है.
अच्छा.
अच्छा, तो ये सारी चीजें लिखनी है. कंप्लीटेड. कैन वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट विच इज देयर?
Yes, sir.
देखो, A and B both located in Kerala. B comes to shop of A. A deliver goods to B. What is the place of supply? Which levy will attract? Yes, this time Virat, absolutely right. I'm very happy. I mean, when it comes to मेरे लिए तो ऑनलाइन ज्यादा अच्छा है बिकॉज मोर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इज अटेंडिंग. ज्यादा बच्चे आते हैं यहाँ पे 40-50 तक का स्ट्रेंथ हो जाता है आप लोगों का. सॉरी ऑनलाइन. ऑफलाइन में इतने बच्चे नहीं आया करते थे. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. श्रुति वगैरह कभी मेरे को नहीं दिखी थी लेक्चर को. इवन अनु इज ऑल्सो राइट. एंड पार्टिसिपेशन भी अच्छा है. यस, विराज एंड अनु इज करेक्ट. ज्योति इज ऑल्सो राइट. ज्योति इज ऑल्सो राइट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. श्रुति अगेन वेरी करेक्ट. बट आप लोग सिर्फ मुझे टैक्स मत बताओ. आपको पहले प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सी, क्वेश्चन इज वेरी क्लियर. फर्स्ट दे आर आस्किंग फॉर प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई and then they are asking what kind of tax and why. That is also very important. So this we are referring section 10 subsection 1 clause A of IDST Act. Rohan, very nice. Yes, Jyoti has rectified her answer. Very correct. चलो, तो अभी मेरा यही पर्पस है कि एक बार आपको समझ में आते रहे तो मैं आगे आगे क्वेश्चन बढ़ाते रहूं. एब्सोल्युटली राइट. नेक्स्ट. और एक दो क्वेश्चन करते हैं. With the direction of third person, then what will be done? What will be the place of supply? There are two examples over here only. Section 10, subsection 1, clause B. Where the goods are delivered by the supplier to a recipient or any third person on the direction of third person, whether acting as an agent or the otherwise, before, during, or movement of goods, either by way of transfer of goods or documents of title, it shall be deemed to be said that third person has received the goods and the place of supply is such goods shall be the principal place of business of such person. Which you have written very small here. Principal place of business of third person is explained in detail over here. Okay? तो थोड़ा और छोटा कर देता हूं तो आपको ज्यादा दिखेगा. हाँ. Take down and then write down these two examples. So Sachin and Stuti has completed. What about others? And there are very two good examples kept it here. If the supplier is from Bhopal, buyer is also from Bhopal, recipient is from Mumbai, delivery has been done in Mumbai, but with the direction of supplier, buyer of Bhopal, okay, if the delivery is done in Mumbai, still it will be considered as place of supply as Bhopal only. Why? Because there is a direction. Okay. So even though both are from MP, your intra-state GST, CGST will be applicable. Okay. The goods have been delivered to interstate. Try to understand. Why? Because section 10, clause 1, subclause B. Sorry, section 1, subsection 1, section 10, subsection 1, clause B says, if there is a delivery of goods at the direction of third person, the principal place of third person will be considered as place of supply. So what is the principal place of third person? Is Bhopal. Okay, and that's why it is considered as Bhopal, and intra-state CGST will be applicable. Manje CGST and SGST. But the same thing, if the buyer is from Surat, supplier is from Bhopal, and recipient is also from Bhopal, delivery is done at Bhopal. As such, it is with the direction of third party. And it's covered under, if it would have been under section 10, subsection 1, clause A, then in both the cases, answer would have been different. But as it is there under section 10, subsection 1, clause B, that's why the answers are different. Are you getting me? So that's why it is interstate IGST will be applicable. Why? Because goods are traveling from MP to Gujarat. I mean, as per section, even though not traveling, but as per section, as per the provision of section 10, subsection 1, clause B, which says the principal place of third person will be considered as place of supply. Is this clear? समझा आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now let's go for next. Let me check if we do have some. एक सेकेंड ना, मेरे को चेक करने दो अगर कोई क्वेश्चन सेक्शन 10 सबसेक्शन 1 क्लॉज बी का है तो. नहीं है. So now we will be directly going for तो अभी हम लोग डायरेक्टली जाएंगे क्वेश्चन सेक्शन 10 subsection C, where supply does not involve movement of goods. Okay, then at the in such cases, okay, like अभी जो आपने केरला वाला देखा था, that's why now section 2. The supply even though the transfer of goods is not from one place to another place, in such cases, location of goods at the time of delivery to the recipient, जहाँ goods recipient, जहाँ recipient available है, okay, that will be your place of supply. It is explained in third example of yours. Okay, say for example, supplier is from Mumbai, recipient is from Surat. But the place of delivery is Goa. Okay, in such cases, the place of supply will be considered as place of delivery. और हम लोग इस पे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो आपका ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. The place of supply shall be location of the goods at the time of delivery of the recipient. We will do few more questions. Just take them. I'll take few more questions. The fundamental will be clear. Don't worry. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So even just now you have seen where there is no transfer of goods from one place to another place, and that's why here also section 10 clause subsection 1 clause C has applicable. If you take the next example, you will understand more appropriately. ये दो किया हम लोगों ने. Now we will be going for third example. Messrs Kirana Limited is incorporated in Mumbai and own go down is in Chennai. Mr. M of Mumbai approached Messrs M Kirana Limited of Mumbai for purchase of goods lying in the godown at Chennai. Mr. M further informs that he does not want the delivery goods in Mumbai. Messrs Kirana Limited issued an invoice for sale of goods in Mumbai. Find the place of goods of supply and what kind of tax will be levied. Viraj, first think and then put your answers. एक बार और सोच ले.
सर लेइंग गुड्स में तो क्या होता है?
हाँ,
गुड्स लेइंग मतलब?
लाइन मतलब वहां पड़ा हुआ है. वेरी गुड प्रकाश. आप लोग जो भी एरर कर रहे हो इतना एरर मत करो, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत क्लियरली दिया हुआ है. मिस्टर एम फर्दर इन्फॉर्म्स दैट ही डज नॉट वांट द डिलीवरी ऑफ गुड्स इन मुंबई. So where he wants the delivery? He wants Chennai. If the place of supply is Chennai, the goods is from Chennai. So then how you are keeping section 10 subsection 1 clause A? Then it covers under section 10 subsection 1 clause C ना, जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया. ये भी यहाँ था, ये भी यहाँ था, लेकिन प्लेस क्या था? वहीं बना था और वहीं डिलीवर किया. मूवमेंट थोड़ी हो रहा है एक प्लेस से अनदर प्लेस. यस, फ्यू ऑफ यू आर राइट, लाइक ज्योति, श्रुति, अनु partly right, and Prakash also partly right. Others. तो पूरा क्वेश्चन रीड किया करो. सिमिलर है, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन की तरह ही है. ये भी केरला में था, वो भी केरला में था. 10A कब होगा? when there is a transforming from one place to another. 10(1)A. ठीक है. 10(1)B में क्या होगा? when one is instructing as per his instruction. So the principal place of third person who is instructing will be the place of supply. 10C क्या होता है? 10(1)C क्या होता है? when their goods is not involved, transferring one place to another place. Okay. Now we will see the D, where the goods are assembled, or E, where goods are transported, conveyance. Then what will be the place of supply? That we will see. और एक क्वेश्चन मैं चाहता हूं आप करो, थोड़ा और समझ में आएगा. Very nice, Prakash. What about other student? Very good, Jyoti, Poonam. Vishal. I have not seen whether it is right or not because I have not read the question. Let me read the question. Messrs. X Limited as a place of business in Chennai. Okay, fine. Being an NBFC, okay. Given an asset under financial lease, okay, to Messrs. ABC Limited of Chennai, okay. The said asset is used by ABC Limited at their factory at Hyderabad, okay, fine. At the end of the lease period, the asset is acquired by ABC, okay, at terminal account. Find out the place of supply, okay, fine. Very nice, yes. Place of supply is Hyderabad, very correct. ID, yes. So Stuti, Vishal, Jyoti, all were right. Prakash, all were right. Very good. Sachin. Okay, now let us go to next. तो सी थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था इसलिए हमने ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करा. If the goods has been assembled, sorry, B वाला है. If the goods is assembled at site, if the goods is assembled at site, then in that case, the place of supply shall be the place of such installation or assembly. जहाँ पे install होगा, that will be your place of supply. So suppose supplier, so first take down this. As per the provision of section 10, subsection 1, clause B, the supplier is from Mumbai, recipient is from Indore. So एक Maharashtra, MP, place of delivery is Mumbai, जहाँ पे assembly हुआ. Okay, in such cases, what will be the place of supply? इसका क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो और क्लियर होगा ये फंडा. टेक डाउन फटाफट, हाँ, सिर्फ 5-7 मिनट है. 9:30 I have another lecture. जस्ट टेक डाउन, मैं दूसरे क्लास को अपना लिंक भेज के आता हूँ, ठीक है. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us go to this question. Mr. D located in New Delhi, place of order on Mr. Delhi of New Delhi for installation of air conditioned machine in his factory located in Chennai. Mr. D procure the indoor and outdoor units, sets of plugs, electric cables, distribution board, and other items from different states of India and arrange them for a delivery at Chennai. The said machine assembled by Mr. Delhi in Chennai. Find the place of supply and what kind of tax will be like. Yes, Vishal, you are right. Thank you. बट तुम लोग इनकम्प्लीट कभी ये लिखते हो, कभी वो लिखते हो, कभी टैक्स लिख देते हो तो प्लेस नहीं लिखते हो प्लेस. यस, प्रकाश इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. यस यस एब्सोल्युटली. देखो ऐसा आंसर होना चाहिए प्रकाश. ऐसे ही आप सबके लिए भेजो, मेरे लिए मत भेजो. ओके स्तुति. प्रकाश ने ही एक ऐसा आंसर लिखा था. मैं सबके लिए भेजता हूँ ये चीज. चलो अभी लास्ट देख लेंगे तो अपना पोर्शन खत्म हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम से आप ऐसा ही आंसर भेजा करो.
सर प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई चेन्नई कैसे आया?
कहाँ हुआ है असेंबल? कहाँ हुआ असेंबल? क्या बोलता है आपका सेक्शन 10 सब सेक्शन बी? क्या बोलता है? अब क्या पढ़ रही है बताओ? प्लेस ऑफ इंस्टॉलेशन क्या है और प्लेस ऑफ असेंबली क्या है? क्या है बताओ? सबने राइट लिखा. हिमांगी, ज्योति, प्रकाश, स्तुति, विशाल, ठीक है, दीप्ति, सचिन, सबने सही लिखा है. समझा अभी? तो लास्ट पार्ट वी नीड टू चेक if the goods is conveyed or transported. Okay, so location of supply where from wherever it is boarded. Okay, so based on that yeah. तो जहां पे वो बोर्ड हो रहा है that will be considered as place of supply. Kindly take down quickly. So all these things is over. So next lecture में we can take services.
सर मुझे एक क्वेश्चन था.
बोलिए.
सर आपने एक बार एक एग्जांपल दिया था कि अगर हम फ्लाइट से फ्लाई ओवर कर रहे हैं और वहां पे कुछ ना कुछ गुड्स परचेज कर रहे हैं, मतलब फूड परचेज कर रहे हैं, तो अगर मैं दिल्ली से मुंबई जा रहा हूँ और मैं परचेज करता हूँ एमपी में और उसका जो है पेमेंट मैं मुंबई में करता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे ये तो पता चल रहा है कि IGST लगेगा, लेकिन प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई कहाँ का जाएगा?
वही तो मैं बोला ना, where there is a involvement of movement of goods from one place to another place.
यस सर.
ठीक है ना?
यस.
और बेसिकली क्या होगा, यहाँ पे आपका सेक्शन 10E बहुत इफेक्टिवली यूज होगा. क्योंकि वो गुड्स कहाँ पे बोर्ड हुआ है, मुंबई में बोर्ड हुआ है, ऑन देयर एयरक्राफ्ट और वेसल। अभी जो सिखा रहा हूँ वही क्वेश्चन आपने पूछ दिया मेरे से।
सर परचेज तो मैंने एमपी में किया था ना,
कहीं
लेकिन
भी करो, गुड्स कहाँ
Okay.
पे वेसल पे आया, या एयरक्राफ्ट
हम-
पे आया, या ट्रेन पे
Yes.
आया, कहाँ पे
Yes,
बोर्ड
sir.
हुआ है?
मुंबई।
यही मैं बोलने वाला था, आपने वही पूछ लिया।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके बेटा, चलो क्विकली, इट्स 8:30, मेरा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर है बाबा। ओ वेट वेट वेट, अनदर स्टूडेंट्स आर आल्सो स्टार्टेड कमिंग। लेट मी स्टॉप।